Hey guys, so today I want to go over how I made these simple cranberry body scrubs for my friends and family for the holidays. I think they're the cutest little gift and they're super easy to make. So let's get started. These are all the supplies you're going to need to make this easy DIY. I've been saving my son's food jars for a while now. I've removed the labels and washed them. After I was ready to get started, I removed all the lids and painted them with this chalkboard paint that's purchased from Michael's craft store. I let them dry for about 24 hours and then I went in with this chalk marker, also from Michael's craft store, just to write on top what they were. I had laying around this gold paint pen, so I just did some detail on top with some gold. I have my mixing cups, my paintbrush, mixing bowl, Epsom salt. I went with the original because I just wanted the cranberries to really stand out. There is flavored Epsom salts, but I thought the original would be best for this recipe. I have my coconut oil, my frozen cranberries that I've thawed out, and I'm going to be blending them in my blender. I have my Christmas themed ribbon, and then I just gathered up some of this fake greenery that I have from previous crafts, and I'm just going to be cutting probably a little bit off, like that much, and putting them on the side. So you want to go ahead and put in 1 cup of your Epsom salts into your bowl. It is 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and then you want to blend your thawed out cranberries in your blender until it's a puree, and then add in 1/2 cup of the cranberries. Mix that all together. So after you've put all your ingredients into your bowl, it's going to look something like this. It has such a great smell and I love the red color. And then we're going to fill it up now in the jar. So I've gone ahead now and filled my jar. I've put the greenery and the ribbon just on the side. It looks something like this. And I'm just going to seal it now and put it in the fridge. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial how to make these simple cranberry body scrubs for the holidays. You do want to keep these in the fridge because they do have food products in them. They last about a month in the fridge. If you do decide just to keep it in your bathroom, they will definitely last, but just not as long.